Watch from the window.
That.
Who's Cormac? You gonna open your birthday card? It's got stickers. Let me open it for you.
Hurry up, birthday. Hurry up, birthday.
Hang on.
Hurry, birthday. Hurry up, birthday.
Your birthday card? There you go. You take that out.
Okay.
Whoa. Oh, you dropped the card.
Whoa, birthday.
It's your birthday card.
Birthday. Go to right. How you right?
Look, there's cars on it.
How you right? How you right?
Harvey likes it.
How you right? Huh?
It's like this. It's like a book.
Book.
There. Open it up.
Open. How?
There's houses. And what are these?
Fish.
And what's this?
Cow.
There's flowers too.
Cow.
Do you like it?
Cow.
There's cars.
Duck.
A train.
Wheel. Good.
Can you say,
Duck.
Harvey, can you say thank you?
Duck.
Hey, listen.
Go.
Thank you.
House.
Thank you, Auntie Ruby and Uncle Andy. He likes it.